Take that, Reddit! The biggest meme stock winner of 2022 is coming at you. All right, hey everyone, welcome back to Trade Talk Tuesday. Today we're gonna address one of the biggest questions that I've gotten over the last 2-3 months, and that is what's going to be the biggest meme stock winner of the year 2022? Well, today we're going to dive right in and I'm gonna tell you what I think that winner will be. Before I begin though, like, subscribe to the channel, click below. It's all free. It's all coming right to you. So let's get going.
How do you guys predict today's most popular trends?
Now, as you guys know, meme stocks were an at-home trader's revolution in the year 2021. But you know what? Lately, not so much. Pull up this chart. Check this out, right? As you can see from this chart, meme stocks have fallen off a cliff now that we've started the year 2022. So today, we're going to follow some of the market breadcrumbs, and I'm going to lead you to what I think is the next great meme stock for the year 2022. Everything that's happened in 2021, that's over. That chart says like that play is done. Let's get ahead of the next big meme stock trend.
We're talking trends.
How on earth can I claim that I'm gonna know what's gonna be the next great best meme stock? Well, I'll tell you why. Look at my track record. Remember April 28th of 2020? Well, right here in Trade Talk Tuesday is when I recommended AMC Entertainment. I recommended this stock for $3 per share. And if you actually remember back, this was even before meme stocks were a thing. Nobody was talking about them. They weren't even called meme stocks at the time, but I was the first to recommend it right here in Trade Talk Tuesday. $3 a share. And then what happened? Pull up that chart. Yeah, see that? AMC went from 3 all the way to above $60. Explosive winner. So when people say like, what's the next meme stock? Well, I did it with AMC, and let's do it again right now.
The Trade Podcasters, everybody!
Of course, I don't have a real crystal ball, so this is nothing more than my own independent research and my own analysis. But here's what I think, okay? In my opinion, the biggest meme stock winner of 2022 is gonna be found in the rental car sector. So I'm gonna give you a quick overview, right? The rental car market right now is around $56 billion annually. In the spring of 2020, you know what happened. COVID started, and the entire rental car industry was basically in a state of collapse. People stopped traveling. There was just this huge glut of cars, and the supply of rental cars was way higher than demand. So as a result, you had Econ 101, prices plummeted, right? So just to remain afloat, the major rental car companies sold off hundreds of thousands of vehicles. I mean, Hertz specifically filed for bankruptcy. And this basically left 2 rental car companies operating on the market, which was Avis Budget and Enterprise Rent-A-Car, and Enterprise is private. You can't trade them, right? But then something amazing and something really unforeseen started to happen, okay? You started to have a chip shortage that impacted new car production. At the same time, travel, as COVID kind of came to an end, travel started to pick up again. So that supply-demand balance that was terrible during COVID flipped, and then all of a sudden, used cars were all of a sudden scarce. I mean, after sitting idle on a lot for a year and not depreciating due to wear and tear, used cars started to actually increase in value. So now, due to the coronavirus crisis and the chip shortage, rental car prices have surged. It's unbelievable, right? Like Avis Budget Group, they just reported amazing earnings and the stock blasted. I mean, pull up this chart. Avis went from 50 all the way up to $350 a share. I mean, it was one of the best stock market performers in all of 2021. I mean, amazing chart, right? So here's the thing. I'm not going to recommend Avis Budget right now. No, the better play right now is Hertz. And here's why. The meme traders have already pushed up Avis Budget. But for less than $20 a share, I believe Hertz is going to be their next target. So I already mentioned that they filed for bankruptcy during COVID, right? Well, looking back, this was actually a blessing in disguise because during bankruptcy, they got it together. They reorganized. They cleaned up their balance sheet. And now they have very minimal debt. And at the same time, they entered into a bunch of profitable initiatives. One of them was to purchase 100,000 Teslas by the end of 2022. And then they also had a great deal with Carvana to sell their used cars with them. So now what happens today? Hertz has come out of bankruptcy in better shape than ever before. And as luck would have it, at the same time that they're coming out of bankruptcy, the rental car industry has never been more profitable. So what was once this dysfunctional oligopoly with no pricing power is now a functional oligopoly with tremendous pricing power. I mean, if meme stock traders pick up on Hertz, just like they already did with Avis Budget, then Hertz could become the biggest meme stock winner of 2022.
The numbers are in, and the trends of today have been cast.
And that's why I like it. Hertz, ticker symbol HTZ. It's a buy right now. I'm on record. I'm calling it the biggest meme stock winner of 2022. There it is. There's your Trade Talk Tuesday episode for today. If you liked this pick and you want more picks, then click that link below and get my newest picks every Wednesday afternoon. And that's it. As always, I'm Bryan. Stop hating, start trading. Cue my exit music.